Ever taken a photo but realized the date or time wasn't right? No worries, because you can easily change the date of any photo in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Gallery app. Let me show you how to do it. First, open Gallery app and then find the photo you want to update. Swipe up on the photo to open the details. Now tap Edit, tap the date. This will open a calendar where you can pick a new date. Once you have selected the correct date, tap Done button. To save your change, tap Save button. As you can see, your photo will now have the updated date. And that's it. Whether you are fixing a photo's timestamp or just organizing your memories, this quick trick keeps your gallery in sync with your real life timeline. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.